Do you know how to make a table in Excel? And I don't mean like this one where you eat. I mean a table with data in Excel. Let's do it.
Here I have this spreadsheet that has multiple tables and one of the sheets. The problem I have here is if I try to add any lines to a table, the alternate background doesn't carry through because this was not actually formatted to be a table. So let's go ahead and create an Excel table formatting for this. Once you click in Format as a Table, you can see some templates that have been already saved by Microsoft. I don't want that. I want to create my own, so I go into New Table Style. Here, you are going to go through the items on the left and edit to fit whatever styling that you want. You can change colors, you can change borders, you can change background colors. There's a lot that you can do. I don't want to do anything to the columns, so I'm going to skip that. I'm only really going to select the ones that I want to change. I also decided to change the header from what I had originally on my table to a different header style. So you want to make sure that you scroll down. It doesn't look like there's much on the left, but there's more. Once you're happy with how your table has been formatted, you're going to hit OK. And don't worry much about being perfect on the first try. You can always come back and edit this later. Now I'm going to select the data that I want to put into this table. Under Format as Table, you're going to see your custom style. You want to right click on it and select Apply and Clear Formatting. So any formatting that you did in the data prior to applying it won't interfere with your table. And now you can see that if I add rows to this table, the alternative background color carries through. Any formulas that you have in any of the columns will also automatically be applied to the new rows. If you have any questions about how to create a table in Excel, drop them in the comment section below.